Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria's Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, today we are going to start our infusion of our muscle pain relief salve, okay? So let's get into the video, but before we start, we have two things to say. The first thing is to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. I really do. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. I have a birthday shout out today. Can everybody give a birthday shout out to Mike Lyles down below? He's a loyal subscriber and today is his birthday. Happy birthday, Mike Lyles, and may you be blessed with so many more. Hey, give him a shout out down in the comment section. Come on, let's get into this video. All right, so today we're going to start our infusion for our muscle pain relief salve. Okay, so what we have here, cayenne pepper. Let's go over again. What was the benefits for cayenne pepper? It helps with blemishes. It improves the look of your skin. It increases oxygen so you have blood flow to your skin. It's rich in vitamin C, vitamin E. It helps with wrinkles, dark spots, and acne scars. Next up, we have black pepper. Black pepper. Black pepper benefits. It exfoliates dead skin. It stimulates blood circulation, which helps with the flow of blood to your skin. It helps with wrinkles and also with other skin issues. Next, we have ground ginger, and all of this is organic, guys. Ground ginger. It helps to reduce inflammation. It soothes irritated skin. It helps improve your skin appearance, and it has the ability to heal. Ground ginger, organic. Next, we have rosemary herb. Rosemary has a calming properties. It helps with chronic stress. It's an antitoxin. It strengthens the immune system. It improves blood circulation as well. So this is going to be so simple. We have our jar. You know I already sprayed it, but I'm going to spray it twice. You know how I do. No big deal. Okay? Remember, give Mike Lyles a shout out down below. He's a birthday boy today. Down in the comments below. Okay? That would be great. And the quote of today is, save more, do more. Let's say that again. The quote of today is, save more, do more. All I'm going to do is dump it in. So there go the cayenne pepper. Here goes the ground ginger, black pepper, rosemary herb. Everything goes in. We're going to have extra virgin olive oil. And all we're going to do, there you go, shake that right there. And we're going to top it with extra virgin olive oil. And then we are going to allow this to sit for 4 to 6 weeks. 4 to 6 weeks. I'll probably allow mine to sit for 6 weeks. You know how I do. What's the quote of today? Save more, do more. You know how I like to take the alcohol and just go along the rim. Just something I do. Okay, let's get the top on. And let's shake this baby up. Give you a close-up of what it looks like now. Look how cloudy it looks. Isn't that a beautiful jar? I got that from Walgreens in New York City about 6 years ago. They came 2 in a box, I believe, or maybe 4. All right. Well, the next video, let me give you a sneak peek. We are going to make salve with our calendula. Our calendula infused and avocado oil. Make sure you come back for that next video. Okay? All right. That's the next one. But today, we're working on our muscle pain relief salve. So we're doing the infused process right now. This is going to sit on my counter right behind me in the kitchen for 6 weeks. Between 4 to 6 weeks, I'm going to label it. We're going to come back. I believe that would be September 23rd, okay? 2020. All right? I'll be right back. So you might say, why are we making a salve like this? This is a great salve when you have back pain, joint pain, arthritis, muscle pain, aches and pains when you come from the garden or whatever you're doing. Men work, hard, strenuous, everyday work. Rub this on. So we're getting to start by infusing our cayenne pepper, ground ginger, black pepper, rosemary herb, and extra virgin olive oil. Okay? I made a label. It has all the names and everything that I have done to it today, and it's ready to go. All right? We'll place the label on. I'm going to put this on my counter, and every day I'm going to come and shake this. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. All right. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video where we'll be making sunny days, calendula infused and olive oil. Make sure you come back for that one. That's going to be exciting, right? And then I'll see you back again September 23rd so we can make our salve, our muscle relief, pain relief salve, okay? Have a great day. Love you, love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. From Glennceria Loving Hands. See you in the next video. Bye for now.